have to zoom in on the duck. Is he over there? Can you see him?
JP!
Yeah, JP!
Did you go this way? Okay.
Oh, so far ahead of us.
Such a jerk.
So tonight we're going to have Thai food, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to go to Norway.
Norway's.
Norway.
Norway?
Norway?
Are we going to Norway?
Norway. We're going to Norway.
Norway. Get it?
Norway. We're going to Norway.
Norway. Well, I'm thinking.
Yes.
See how to put the W's where the L's are, and the F's where the F the F's are. I should never have to explain the alphabet to anybody.
Well,
I'd be like, no, this letter is a think.
it's a think. And this is a wow.
I'm thinking. Well, I'm thinking we might be better off. Do you have anything to say to me?